today it's rumored that Yeezy 450s are going to be shock dropping. There's only a couple of websites where it's confirmed on right now. However, there is a chance that I did a bunch of setting up for absolutely no reason. And that's why shock drops really aren't my thing. Setting up for half the day and waking up super early just for a chance for it to drop, for a chance for me to get the item. I don't know, it seems like a waste of time to me. But anyways, I think a few websites are going to be dropping these in about 5 minutes. Hopefully we get one. Hopefully they drop to begin with. Let's see what happens. They drop with no anti-bot. What is 500 error? Oh, I got processing on one. Please go through 2. Please. Oh my god, so many processing. Please. Come on. Check out. It's taking so long. Oh my god! Yes! I did it! I got one! Let's go! Bro, why couldn't my other orders go through? If I was running on a server, I would have hit, but they had no anti-bot. That's why. It is 8:59. The queue has not gone up, and there is a rumor that it's gonna drop at 9:30, but there's a chance that it doesn't as well. Like, that's just a weird time to drop, 9:30. Why not 9 like always? We're kind of just waiting here, but in any case, if it drops, I'll be ready. Unless it drops sometime in the afternoon, in which case there's a chance that I just walk away from my computer, and that's the exact moment that it's gonna drop. Alright, we got 2 pieces of bad news. Number 1, my undefeated order got cancelled, so we are back to square 1. Number 2, Yeezy supply still hasn't dropped, which sucks. But anyway, Shopify is going to be dropping in a few seconds now, so that's why I'm talking really fast, because I gotta go ahead and change my delays now. Let's do it. I got something? I don't know, I see it in the corner of my eye. I can't look. I'm still solving captchas. I got something else? What am I even copying, dude? Holy crap, dude, I kinda ate, man. Oh, another one processing? Oh, I got another checkout from somewhere. Bro, I'm destroying. What the heck? I hit 5 on wrap? 6? What on earth is happening? Alright, so I got 7 email confirmations from Kith, and I got 4 cancels. So that's still pretty good. 3 pairs, not bad at all. And I got some of the New Balances from Concepts. I think these are selling for a good amount, so I am pretty happy about that. Man, I haven't smoked Shopify like this in quite a while. Usually I just get like 1 or 2 pairs on Shopify, but I'm pretty happy about this. Well, as you probably know by now, Yeezy Supply or Adidas never dropped the Yeezy 450s first come first serve. And yesterday, Stone Island New Balances dropped and Yeezy 350s dropped. I did not go for any of the Yeezys. The 350 prices have just always been disappointing time and time again, and this is really no different, especially since personally I think it's just a colorway that, I don't know, it's just not a very good colorway in my opinion. Anyways, a few pairs of shoes came in the mail already, so we got the 450s in. My personal favorite nickname for this shoe is the Dumpling Yeezys, because it really does look like a dumpling. So from now on, every time I mention this model, I'm just gonna call it Dumpling Yeezy. And we got Dunk Low Nets. Oh shoot, this is actually really freaking nice. However, this was a pretty tough cop. I didn't record it because it was such a minor release, it didn't matter. But this is the only one that I managed to cop. It's fine, one is better than none. Actually, this is my size. But I don't know jack about the nets, so I'm not gonna keep it. So during these past couple of weeks, there actually hasn't been a whole lot of sneaker releases. So I decided it was a great time to give console botting a try. I got a couple of retail bots about a week ago, got the Koza and Stellar, and my results so far, not too bad. Learning how to do this has been a little bit challenging, but the retail staff at Notify, who are veterans at doing this retail botting thing, has made the process a lot simpler. Also, shout out to the Koza team, who are also very helpful. Profit margins are fantastic, especially since I don't have to spend any extra money on servers and proxies, since I'm basically using the same ones that I already have for sneaker botting. But there are a few things about retail botting that I really don't like. Number one, I'd say 95% of the releases are shock drops, and if you regularly watch my content, then you know exactly how I feel about shock drops. The idea that walking away from your computer at any point in time can potentially cost you hundreds of dollars in profit that you could have made is just not good for my mental health. Sometimes I get nervous even going to the bathroom since I might miss something. Luckily though, it seems like my group is able to predict when most of these drops do take place with fairly high accuracy, but even so, the idea that it isn't scheduled by the retailer and is 100% confirmed still makes me a bit uneasy. The number 2 thing I don't like is around 50 to 60% of these drops are in-store pickups. I guess that's much better than in-store first come first serve, but I don't really have time to leave the house for the most part, so yeah. Here are a few of the consoles that I got. I'm still waiting for 3 more PlayStations, so hopefully they come soon.
Let's go.
Okay, today is the big day. We have a crazy amount of releases today. However, I'm only focusing on 3 of these. We're going to be going for the Pattas, and then we are going to be focusing on the foam runners. The Pattas should be dropping in about 10 minutes. Not 100% sure if bots are going to work, but I'm going to give it a try. If it doesn't work, then we'll just go manual. The Patta drop just finished. Long story short, I made 2 huge mistakes. Number 1, I forgot to press record, and number 2, I messed up on the drop. I'm still trying to wake up. I barely even know where I am right now, so that's that. It's not a big deal though. Next up, we're going to be going for the Yeezy foam runners. I feel like I'm prepared, however there are a few things I am a little bit worried about. The first thing is that I'm not sure I'm gonna have payment issues. There's been rumors going around that one of my main virtual credit card providers that I normally use for Yeezy supply just isn't working that good anymore, and that accounts for like maybe 40% of all my profiles. So there's a chance that I would get a lot of fraud declines that would have normally been checkouts. The second thing I'm worried about is a zip code ban. Well, that's pretty self-explanatory. The third thing I'm worried about is if my AYCD is not configured correctly. So today I'm going to be running the most bots I've ever ran so far all at once, and most of them are going to be connected to AYCD, and if my AYCD configuration is incorrect or if AYCD fails altogether, then I'm screwed. There are a lot of ways for this to go seriously wrong. I'm just hoping none of them happen. Anyways, I'm a little bit nervous, but let's get to it.
Oh my god, Poison, are you okay?
We got 3 more. Not drop. What the heck? Oh my god, I got... That can't be real. How am I past splash 600 times? Impossible, impossible. What is happening? Oh, I got one carded on Surge ISPs.
Okay?
Please. No. What just happened? 2 cards. Come on, get something, get something. Bro, it just disappears. What? Getting sizes failed? What are you talking about? Do we have to go manual?
Oh my god, Poison, are you okay?
Countdown. Bro, I'm so stressed right now. Like, what is actually happening? Nothing's working. Nothing's working.
Oh my god, Poison, are you okay?
I got one! What the hell? Yeah, it pops up by itself. Holy shit, what is happening to the splash page? Come on. What? I was about to hit. What happened? Processing. Oh, I got one. Yeah, size 7 ochre too. Bro, I'm so washed, dude. I'm super disappointed. This is, I think, the first time in a while that I like proper flop. I went all out and I got 2 checkouts. Like that's just embarrassing. Dude, I don't know what happened to Yeezy Supply. Like a month ago, their release procedure, buttery smooth. What did they do? It's not too often I actually feel bummed out about like doing bad on release, but today hit different, man. Alright, Shopify websites, 10 o'clock. Hope I do better on that. I just got blue screen of death 10 minutes before the drop, and you had to have started tasks at least like 20 minutes beforehand, or else you're just not gonna hit on Kith. Bro, this can't be freaking real. Bro, there's no way this is actually happening right now. I can't freaking believe it. And I didn't run on the server. What is my luck? Alright, we're back about 30 seconds before the drop. Hopefully I get something, man. Give me something. I'm solving pretty slow too. Waiting for restock. That Yeezy release was a movie, a horror movie. Basically everything that could have went wrong. This is more or less worst case scenario. The 2 shoes that I managed to get was basically a participation award. So I did lose a lot of money going as hard as I did for this release. I think it's gonna be a long time before I try to even attempt to do another crazy setup like this. I'm just not at that level yet to be able to expand my setup as much as I attempted to, and I paid the price for it in the literal sense. The good news is that the rest of the PlayStations came in the mail, and I also managed to cop another Xbox. Anyways, we got a couple of the New Balances in. Honestly, this is a really dope looking sneaker. I love the design of it, and I bet it would be very comfortable wearing it. What I find very interesting about this is that it has a little sippy cup straw. Well, that's what it looks like anyway, just in case you want to use this as a bottle, and then you can drink out of the back of the shoe. So it's actually double functionality. You can use it as a cup and you can use it as a shoe. kind of sounds disgusting. No, it's just a joke, just in case you took that seriously. But yeah, that is about it for today's video. Unfortunately, I flopped probably the most important Yeezy release of the year, and it just sucks. But it doesn't matter. I hope you guys enjoyed the video either way. I'll see you guys in the next one.